This is Darby and Ryan reporting live. Today, we're reporting from the scene of a flood at the Yellow River in China on August 1st, 2015 in Madoi Golog. The flood occurred at around 12:30 p.m.
This river changed its path and overflowed.
At least 2 million people died and maybe up to 7 million people.
This river did it in 1931. 4 million people died.
The river did it once again in 1939. 10 million people lost their homes and about 200,000 died.
One day in Johnston, Pennsylvania, 1889, a dam broke after heavy rainfall. The water wall grew up to about 129 feet tall.
The flood was moving 50 miles an hour. The town of Johnston was swept away.
You can prepare for a flood with these easy steps.
Listen to the radio or television for information.
Move immediately to higher ground.
Do not walk in moving water. 6 inches of water can make you fall.
If you have to walk in moving water, carry a stick with you to make sure the ground below the water is firm.
Before a flood, if you have time, bring outdoor furniture inside.
Move essential items to an upper floor.
Turn off utilities. Disconnect electrical appliances.
Here's what to do after a flood. Listen for news reports to learn whether your community's water is safe to drink or not.
Avoid floodwaters because they may contain oil, gasoline, or raw sewage.
Stay out of buildings if surrounded by floodwaters.
Stay away from moving waters.
Be extremely careful when entering buildings.
If you have been touched by floodwaters, wash with soap and clean water.
Nowhere is safe from a flood, but some places may be safer than others.
There are also watches and warnings that tell you about flooding or possible flooding.
Know what all warnings and watches mean.
When a flood watch is issued, flooding is possible. Tune into a radio or television for advice and guidance.
If a flash flood watch occurs, flash flooding is possible. Use television or radio in the case as well.
If a flood warning happens, flooding is either happening or will happen soon. If advised, evacuate immediately.
Finally, we have a flash flood warning. If one is issued, seek higher ground immediately.
Thank you for listening.
This is Darby Clark
and Ryan Allen. Now back to the studio for the sports section.